So this is the class link area page, and if you hit the plus sign you can add it, and Artsonia is right there. Students hit add, and then if you double click on it I think it opens up. Then they go to student, and then we put in our school access code at the bottom. My school access code is on a poster up here. Your school will have its own link, but that's how the students get to theirs. So she just entered it, then she selects her grade. She's in fourth grade, to her teacher, and then she finds her name. And then this is the artwork that she just published. It's an alien project. When she clicks on it and rolls down, she has to give her artwork a title by hitting the blue button. So she's going to enter her title. A little bit fierce. I like it. F-I-E-R-C-E. And then turn in. Then it brings you back to the home page, and then they have to all write a statement. So she goes to the add button, and then I give them a prompt. It says my alien's name is blank and he or she lives in the planet blank. So they just fill in for this one. Sometimes they can write whatever other you want them to write about. What's the name of your planet, June? Do you remember? Okay. Destruction. D-I-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. And if they want to add anything more about it, they can. Otherwise, they would just hit turn in statement. Can you go back to the home page, June? And then if they go back to home, if you hit the back arrow and go down, can you show, this is all of her artwork from 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and they can give their other artwork a title.